I'm good. Yo, get me down here, hey! What the fuck you looking at? Yo, when you look at this video, this is what you gonna hear. Fuck you, little bitch. You see this little get up this shit.
Yo, you're a bring my thing. Back up with that shit. Go sit down.
Yo, I didn't get down here, right?
Oh shit, don't let it get infected.
So I go put some fries on it?
You know what's funny? He was like, haha, and then he was like, you want me to put the fries on it?
Holy shit.